Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this ice cube. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay. Then MMGS is selected. Then top plane is taken. Go to the extruded boss. Go to the center rectangle and draw a center rectangle. Go to the smart dimension and determine the dimension. It will be 285 and it will be 105. Okay, exit it. Then it will be upwards 60 millimeters. Okay, then go to the extruded cut and click here. Then go to here and select the normal plane. Then go to here and corner rectangle is taken and draw a corner rectangle with the smart dimension and distance from here to here 5 millimeters. Here to here it will be also 5 millimeters, and this distance is 45 and this one is 30 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Then it will be 35 millimeters downwards and the degree will be 10 degree reduces. Okay, done. Go to the fillet, select it, this one, this one, this one. Okay, it will be 2 millimeters. Okay, done. Then linear pattern is taken and click here and it will be reverse direction and distance will be 50 and number will be 2. Okay, and click here and select it. Okay, done. Then again linear pattern is taken and click this side and it will be 35 and it will be multiple, so it will be 8. It will be 8. Okay, done. Then go to the shell command, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, and it will be distance 1 millimeters and shell preview is selected. Okay, then okay, done. And I am selecting the color. Go to here and high glass is taken and this blue high glass is plastic is taken. Okay, okay, and I am selecting this one. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please